told you guys that I was going to do a review on the Rever. I just finished washing my hair, well, deep conditioning my hair, and these are the, ooh, great. So yeah, this is my first time using the Rever, as I mentioned in the other video, and it came with this attached to it. It says, prior to using the Rever, do not apply oil to your hair before use of your device. Do not saturate hair with hair care products or water to the point of dripping. Do not use excess substances on or in the device. I'm used to putting oil in my hair when blow drying, but this time I'm gonna put the oil after I finish blow drying. Before I begin, let me show you guys the device, the hair vacuum. See, this is the hose. Not sure what this is. This is the on and off switch, which is in the center. When you cut it on, this handle part glows, which is very cool. This is what I had figured out the last time, because I was wondering, why is this hook there? That is to hold the head part, okay? Okay, just, yeah. So on this knot, I'm not sure, what is this big? This looks weird, but let me see what this is. Reading, it's a lot. This is the heat chamber. This part is the heat chamber, so I guess so this won't like get overheated. It has a filter inside. You have to filter it every 3 to 5 uses, and they also sell the filters as well. Let's see. You have this part right here that comes off. Well, this part is the reverse air speed dial. Okay, so you have to set it to your liking. Okay, if you want it strong, then of course you'll put it all the way to the 7th setting. If you want a little mild, then you put it to like maybe 2 or 3. Yeah, okay, let me see. It's pretty cool. This is the filter. This is where all the hair gets trapped. Okay, this is the pipe that'll suck your head in. But yeah, I'm nervous. I'll be using the Chi heat protectant. Some shears for like at the end. My favorite go-to leave-in, which is the Cantu repair cream. My oil, mind you, you use this after you finish blow drying, not during, okay? And I might end up using, this is my leave-in that I just made. It's the Oat Mango leave-in conditioner. And I'll be using, I might use this fenugreek leave-in conditioner that I made the other day. I might use it just in case. I mean, not just in case, but you know, just to see how it works on my hair. But my Cantu is my go-to, okay? And of course, a wide tooth comb. Okay, y'all, I don't have it on my, I don't know which setting will be comfortable for me, but I think you would want to moisturize your hair first. Okay, not a lot. I love me my Cantu, but since my daughter, my hair just doesn't feel the same. With my son, it was worse. My hair texture just, not the texture, but I guess the porosity just changed. So what used to work don't work anymore. And I thought it got better after I had my daughter this year, but no, it's Cantu feeling crazy right now on my hair. You don't want to saturate it. And then you're gonna want to comb it out first. I don't know what's going on with my hair lately. It's been matting up a lot. Your hair knows when you're neglecting it. So I don't want to play nice when it's time to play nice, you know? But like I said, you need to talk to your hair. You need to threaten your hair, okay? Because the hair be tripping, right? Okay, see, this is why you need the shears, because you will have snagged ends and single strand knots and all that. And get shears from Sally's that are quite affordable, especially if you're the only one using them. You don't need expensive shears, okay? But it's very important that you do use hair shears. And I'm adding more because after my hair is blown out, I'm not going to add water-based moisturizer in it. So this is my time to add some any water-based moisturizer. You see my hair keeps matting up. Oh my God. If you have a lot of snags, that mean like every time you comb, that means you may need a trim. So right here is a temperature control, okay? Your cool setting, I believe, is in the middle, and then your hot, and then like your warm is on the bottom, okay? It is very loud. Oh, I was gonna say like what? It's on number 1. Definitely need a trim. Okay. So now I'm gonna try my oil. I don't know what my butter is. Okay, applying the oil made it feel better. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do my full head and then I give my overall review. I like the cool setting, but your hair is still of course wet because it's the cool setting, I guess. But I think the cool setting is for like when you're finished using the warm into hot setting. Oh, what am I doing? You just kind of shock it with the cool setting. So let me do that real quick. I think I added too much here, but it's just to shock it. So I'm going to put it on the medium heat setting, okay, which is the one. Okay, I like it on the medium heat setting as well, which is good. Especially if you want to use this, like, I'm not gonna say every day, but maybe once a week. The medium heat setting, I think, will be ideal to your liking because it's not providing that much heat at all. In the cool setting, I mean, you just have to be in the chair for a longer period of time, but it's not bad. Okay. Yeah, girl, okay, I see you. Fully blown out. That was in a twist. Oh, that's pretty, wow. Anyways, this is my hair fully blown out. I'm not going to lie, guys. Over here is a little wet. I'm gonna dry this part. But here I use like the hotter setting on this side. But I realized that, you know, using the medium setting will work just as good because I don't want that much heat on my hair, especially the fact that I had heat on my hair not too long ago. But as you can see, this side is not that straight because I had it on the medium setting and I didn't have it in for that long. But I like it like that, you know. Now I'm gonna make it kind of, I have to dry it. I am going to have to dry this part. But for the most part, I really like it. Oh, this is the one I used on the rest of my hair, which is the Fenugreek leave-in conditioner. And it's pretty good. Let me blow out this part, then I'll be coming back. If you're gonna use it on a low heat setting, I definitely suggest that you put it on the speed 6 or 7. It'll work better, speed 6 or 7. Okay, we're gonna do pros and cons. So for the cons of this reverse air dryer, the only con I may have is that it's loud, but even then it's not really a big deal to me. But yeah, it is loud and it is very heavy. Not very heavy, but it is heavy and it takes up it's pretty big, but I mean, hey, it is what it is. But what's most important is that does it work? Clearly, the proof is in the pudding, you feel me? But overall, I really like the blow dryer. It's low manipulation, low tension. So I feel as though this is like a good buy. The original price was $500. Some places, I think in the UK it's $600, I believe. But here in the US, it's $500. So I was telling myself, I'm like, I mean, that looked like it'll save a whole bunch of time, but do I really want to pay that much money for a blow dryer? Like, I really have to ask myself that. And I'm like, no. Eventually, it'll go on sale, right? Which it did. It was still a pretty penny, but it was well worth it. I got it for it was $318, but including tax and shipping, I believe, it came up to like $340 or something like that. To me, it wasn't bad. I kind of saved up for it, so I really didn't feel it. But yeah, you guys should try this blow dryer. I really like it, especially on little kiddos. Like my daughters will love it because I'm not combing their hair with the comb attachment of the other blow dryer that I use. Although that blow dryer is amazing too, but if you want less breakage, I feel like, and if you want less tension on your hair, this is it. I really like it. My pros would be that it has a lot of different settings that you could work with, and you just stick to the one setting that's your favorite. Okay, so let's see how much hair I've lost by removing this part. Oops. Oh, there's no hair, like literally none. No hair. Sure. So now I'm gonna add some oil to the rest of my hair. That's the area to be. So this is the review. I feel like my hair is shrinking up. Yeah, I think it is, but that's okay because I didn't want it bone straight, and I didn't want it I didn't put on the high heat setting. So I still have a bit of moisture in there, but not that much, just like maybe 2%. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like the video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also share so others can be informed. And as always, be blessed.